fontos nap a mai, mert ma kezdünk oltani a kínai vakcinákkal.
We are the first country in the EU who received Sinopharm vaccine. We try to save lives and preserve the economy, and we are fighting together with our Chinese friends against COVID.
Most of the people here in this country are vaccinated with Sinopharm vaccine from China, Chinese vaccines. People here are very satisfied and even very proud because we succeeded to deliver such a good things for the better health of our people and for the future of this country.
Recently we have started this vaccination program. I think that it is good that we have such amount of vaccines here and that people should go to vaccine themselves. Maybe after, by the end of this year, if we all, or 50 or 60% of people got this vaccine, maybe we can get back to our normal lives.